Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kids luggage that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Trunky Kids Luggage. Make traveling feel like playing with a Trunky ride-on suitcase. The award-winning British design is both functional and fun. This kids luggage packs a whopping 55 liters, giving more than enough space for your kids' clothes, books, and toys. The hard-wearing but lightweight plastic material also gives excellent protection even if you fill this bag with milk bottles and liquids. Perhaps the most attractive part of this luggage for both you and your kid is the design. It comes in 6 different animal characters with fun colors and short backstories. All characters are fit as a carry-on at 12.8 by 18.4 by 8 inches. While it's mainly built for air travel, the real fun begins when you're done packing and you're ready to roll. The kids' luggage comes with 2 carry handles, but the top is curved to serve as a seat for your child. Kids can roll this bag with their feet and steer the luggage with the horn handles. If your tiny tot is too tired, or bored, you can attach the shoulder strap with a built-in ID key and tow your kid and his luggage around. When you open up the bag, one side has compression straps to keep items from spilling out. The opening is also lined with soft foam to protect tiny fingers in case the luggage closes by accident. There are internal pockets to organize the many items you'll fit in the ride-on suitcase. The snout is also a secured latch to ensure the safety of your kids' luggage. The luggage can also hold up to 75 pounds of weight, so even without a trip, your kid can just use it as a toy and zoom around the house. The biggest problem with this kid's luggage is the hinge. It's a simple clamshell design with the lid attached with a C-clip instead of a hinge. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Haze Travel Tots Owl Kids Luggage. Every big adventure needs a tough and sturdy companion. Haze America Travel Tots Kids Luggage are sturdy and durable and fit for any kind of travel for kids. The roller luggage comes in adorable animal characters with a matching pack. This way, your tiny tot can leave his luggage behind and carry around daily essentials when you're ready to tour the city. The ABS, polycarbonate composite materials for both luggage and backpack can weather any kind of abuse, especially when kids decide to use this as a toy. The luggage measures 18.2 x 14 by 8.8 inches, making it an ideal kids carry-on item for air travel. Both bags open with all-around zippers. This kids rolling luggage has large inline wheels to manage different kinds of terrain. There are X straps in the main compartment to keep items from spilling out. When open, the luggage can still stand up straight, making it easy for you to slip in some last-minute items without having to open the entire bag. The pack has a polyester lining and is very easy to carry. It also comes with a grab handle at the top. There are no built-in security measures or locks, but zippers for both bags have loops where you can thread your own lock. It lacks organization options, however. There are no internal or external pockets to keep small items segregated. At number 3, we have the Stephen Joseph Character Rolling Luggage. With fun colors and little details to play with, the Stephen Joseph Character Rolling Luggage is a great piece of kids' luggage. The polyester material means it won't scratch or dent easily. It's also safe to wash the bag with soap and water for the inevitable stain. The lid opens with a zipper to reveal one main compartment. It's straightforward storage with no straps and no internal pockets. There's an external front pocket where your kid can stuff in little knickknacks. The wheels on this kid's rolling luggage are small and tucked well under the compartment. You can let your toddler roll this kid's suitcase around without accidentally tripping himself on the wheels. At number 2, we have the Skip Hop Zoo Little Kid Luggage. The Skip Hop Zoo Little Kid Luggage is a great piece of luggage for kids. This pint-sized kids rolling luggage comes in fun characters with fun details. Each luggage has floppy animal ears and zipper designs to match. With a 13-inch retractable handle, toddlers will have no problem rolling this bag themselves. At 7 by 12, 5 by 18 inches, it's a decent size for overnight trips and as kids carry on luggage for air travel. It also has a large front pocket that can hold snacks and pens or coloring books. On the side is a mesh pocket for a water bottle or anything else you'll need to carry around. In consideration to parents running after their young kids, this Skip Hop Kids luggage comes with a detachable back strap for convenient handling. You can sling this over your shoulder and carry the travel bag around after your toddler inevitably gets tired of pulling it himself. It's also convenient if you have to bring this upstairs or through rough terrain. Whatever the reason, you won't have to hunch down to the height of your kid to help him bring this bag around. If you want to complete the look, there are also matching lunch packs, neck pillows, and backpacks to go with your kids' rolling luggage. The poly canvas fabric is low maintenance and keeps this kids' luggage lightweight. However, some of the materials seem to be thinner and of less quality. The mesh pocket tends to break after a while when holding water bottles. If handled roughly, some design elements like ears and eyes also tend to break. And finally at number 1, we have the Rocklin Junior. My first luggage for kids. Spinner fans, rejoice! Your tiny tot can look like a savvy traveler with Rocklin Junior. My first luggage. With different characters and luggage shapes, this is a great spinner option for kids to easily roll through long airport halls. The hard-side luggage style and polycarbonate material mimic adult luggage except with much cooler prints and colors. The single telescopic handle can be adjusted to 2 heights so both you and your kid can roll the luggage with ease. The 360-degree spin wheels make this very maneuverable as well. Most adult-sized spinners have trouble going through rough terrain, but since the Rocklin Junior is very light, it can easily go through stairs, rubble, cobblestone, and dirt. The luggage is very sturdy and can take a lot of airports or travel abuse. A great feature of this rolling bag is its compartment. One side has an X-strap to contain your items, while the other has a zippered divider. The polyester lining also features fun designs so your kid can enjoy every bit of his luggage. Even though we know it's only for their toys, right? It opens with an all-around zipper for easy access, and the bag stays upright even with the front lid open. The zippers also overlap so you can thread your own lock through them. It also comes with a matching ID tag. It would have been great if it had internal and external pockets, but there are no other organization options than the main compartments. If every inch counts when you pack, then the pull handle might give you a problem. It goes through the back compartment of the luggage, protruding towards the inside and taking up some packing space, despite seeming like great luggage for kids. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.